Tinagrahe lamang ni Rema.
It belongs to a special person who is reading this message sent with beautiful wishes from someone who has been blessed by her friendship and good personality. Another one. Oh.
Ha?
Ay, video mo naman, Sindo. Ay, sabay-sabay na mapasupo. Bako lang ako. Ito.
Wala.
Grabe.
Hello, yun!
Uli na, siya ko pa. Parang ko rin makakumpinsido dito. Today marks the day a good person was born. With a lovely heart, a beautiful body, enhancing, smile, and influential mind, and appealing personality.
Wow, shit!
Happy birthday. Yun na ito.
Tapos na. Anong masasabi mo sa message niya?
Wala.
Ano ba?
I am very taho.
You're very touched of that message. How about you? You're kilig. You.
No comment.
Walay!
Trusting pa, trusting.
Ano ito na, taga-lagi ko? Ganilag na sa Facebook.
YouTube man lang.
Hindi mo paglago.
Oh, ano man? At seryoso ako. Ba't seryoso? Seryoso!
Saan nga na?
At